Our topic of today is health and hygiene. We can maintain hygiene in 6 simple ways. First is oral hygiene, which is related to our mouth. For this, we should brush our teeth twice with fluoride free toothpaste and every time when we eat any sweet. Second hygiene, which is to be maintained, should be at bath times. You should bath daily, wash your hairs twice in a week, and scrub your body at least once in 15 days with mild soap. On third place, it is very important to maintain hand and foot hygiene. Every time when you come back home, always wash your hands, cut your nails regularly, wash your hands before having food, always wear fresh socks to avoid any unpleasant smell. Number 4 comes to toilet or bathroom hygiene. Wash yourself properly, flush every time you use the toilet, minimize the usage of water, and most importantly, wash your hands always when you use the bathroom. Next one is coughing and sneezing hygiene. Always cover your cough and sneeze with elbow or handkerchief, and do not forget to wash your hands thereafter. And the last one is home hygiene. Always wear clean clothes, put dishes back in the sink, clean it when you spill it, always put your toys back, and keep your belongings always in place. Parents should also need to remember the few things. Always set an example in front of the kids by doing your own work. Be patient and never argue in front of them. Encourage them to do better each time. Appreciate them for what they do.